You ever get tired of typing and you just want to send a video message? I'm going to show you how to do that in Zoom. Today, Zoom has Team Chat. I've talked about this on a million different videos. Sending instant messages, sending reactions, sending GIFs or emojis. Been doing that for years. What we can now do inside of Zoom Team Chat is send video messages. And it's just what it means. Literally sending a message with a video instead of just an instant message. And a lot of times I do this to elicit more conversation. A lot of times I do this because I'm very passionate about something and texting doesn't come through as impactful as I'd want it to be. So I will send a video message to either a direct message or to a channel. A lot of times I will do this because I'm tired of typing. It's just easier to pick out a quick video. Let's take a look at how you do it. So here's obviously Zoom Team Chat, sending direct messages between individuals or between channels. That's the whole point of it. A lot of times, as I said before, I don't want to type a whole bunch of big message. I want to send a video message. So here's how you do it. Well, inside of Zoom Team Chat, at the bottom of your any individual chat or channel chat, you're going to see a little picture of a video camera. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to click the video camera button, and now I can leave a video message. It's literally that simple. You hit record and you say, hey, I now have 3 minutes to send a video to a colleague or a coworker explaining to them why I'm sending a video as opposed to chatting. And then you can send it if you like it. All right, that's that simple. It's that quick. You see that there's another couple of cool little things that are inside the video message. Now I've sent that video message to whoever, Patrick at Fabrication. He now can see a preview of that video message. He can clearly see I have a video recording and I sent that message in chat. I can also apply virtual backgrounds to that message, just like you do in your meetings. So I can apply a virtual background. Let's just go with the Golden Gate here. And now I have the Golden Gate Bridge as my video background. I can do the same thing. I can record any message and then I can stop and I can send it. And now you can see the video background inside the message as well. So super cool stuff. I use it all the time and I hope you do too. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you liked it, hit thumbs up. If you really liked it, hit subscribe. You know what? Subscribe whether you liked it or not. And if you really, really liked it, then hit some comments down below. If you hated it, hit some comments down below. I think you get the point.